Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We have been talking for a long time. So in today's session, it's very simple. I want to light touch a feature, which is a niche feature that has been existing in Excel for a very long time. Given that Excel has been widely used across multiple organizations, multiple levels of people's skills, so that's why it's important to know those niche things, because some days you may find out this niche can save your life. So let's get started. So right now you can see on my screen, this is a blank canvas of Excel. If you have data over here, for example, you can actually enter everything by Control-Enter, which means everything will fulfill with the selected cell. But quite often you want to copy the cell and paste somewhere or do something else. Anyway, you're going to copy that. So the way we copy is just right click, and here is the copy button, right? So if you want to move this to somewhere else, you can just click and hold and drag it to somewhere else, which means you're moving the data from the column E to column L, right? Let's move back. But we're using just a left click. So in the mouse, we have two clicks, left and right. So what if we use the right click to hold and drag? Let's see how it goes. So if I right click and hold, you can see the bottom section over the screen say drag cells and then release to see the paste option. So what happened is there's different system prompt in display what you're doing. So if I use the left click, it'll say drag to move cell content, use Alt key to switch sheet, right? And if we use right click and hold, drag cells, then release to see paste options. So that's why if I use the right click and hold and drag it somewhere else and release, this is where you're triggering a paste option. This paste option is listed in the menu in this drop down list. So the first thing is move here. It's like you use the left click to drag and move. Second, copy means that you can copy column E to column K, and everything in the column E will be intact. And the last is just copy value. So which means when you right click a copy, you have a special paste, right? So that's where you have this paste value, or you can paste the format only. You can also build up a link and also create hyperlink, but there's many other options for you to cope with different situations. Let's just say we choose the value only. So that's how it will look like. So if you have something like highlighted, I just drag here, right click, drag. If I choose value only, it will be like this way. If I do drag and hold, right click, release, format only, that's what we're going to be doing. So there's many choices that you can mimic the action of paste special. We know that paste special happens whenever you have a copy section. Copy section will be using this dynamic dotted boundary. And then when you go in here, right click, that's your special paste. You can use this, like say, quick shortcut, get things done and preview what's happening. And then also you can go into here and to list the full review, or even a more logical ways using the special paste option. Here you can do multiple things. So this is just a small trick about not using keyboard at all, just using your mouse, how to operate on special paste. So that's today's session. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys in the next one.